Hi, welcome to. Now let me discuss about the title of our project. The project title is Supporting Private Production in Personalized Web Search. The main objective of this paper is to improve the efficiency and effectiveness when compared with existing systems. It provides privacy during user view the history results by using some background knowledge. It demonstrated its effectiveness in improving the quality of various search services on internet. Now let me discuss about the abstract of our project. In this paper, we are going to propose a privacy preserving personalized website which can generalize profiles for each query according to user specified privacy requirements. The way of providing exact information to the users about what the users profiling in the web is playing a major issue. To resolve that issue, more number of ways are introducing day by day. This paper presents a different approach with enhancing algorithm to improve the performance of whole system. First, they suggest a new framework to find the user reflecting goal line from user's query. Second, they suggest a restructure reflecting result by applying similarity values. Third, they suggest a new criteria to evaluate the performance of clustering and restructure result. Let me discuss about the data flow diagram of our project. Our first process starts with input data collection. In this process, we are going to select the dataset. Dataset is the input process because it is a data mining paper. After the dataset has been selected, we are going to insert the dataset into a database. That is displayed in played in a dataset insertion process. After the dataset insertion and pre-processing has been completed, the user has been logged in for searching a query. If you are already member, you can log in. Otherwise, you can register. After you can log in, you can enter the queries what you are going to search about topics or something like here. And then after you are entering a query, the queries will be displayed what are what are the queries in proxy which is related to your query index terms. After search in proxy, apply a generalization algorithm. We have to display the taxonomy repository which is based on our query. After the taxonomy repository will be displayed, we are going to display the query topic relevance estimated values based upon the algorithm. In that we are displaying medium queries and then ambiguous queries and higher related term queries. After the query topic relevance has been estimated, we are hiding the details what the user searched and their time, etc. This is a data flow diagram of our process. Now let me discuss about the demo of our project. Our process starts with start.java. Here our process starts with the dataset pre-processing. Just click the button dataset pre-processing. In that we are going to select our dataset. This is our dataset. In that we have some attributes like author ID, then what are the items searched about by the authors, and date, time, and click URLs, something like. Then load a dataset into a database. After the dataset load into a database, here we can retrieve the values from the database. This is attributes in our dataset: ID, query, and query time, item ranking, and then click URLs. Then click the next button. After the dataset has been loaded into a database, we can view the dataset from a database. Then here is a dataset type and number of records, number of rows, and number of columns are here. Then click the next button. Then apply the pre-processing methods. Pre-processing is applied for eliminating the null values in the dataset. Then click the next button. Next process is for searching. So just click the searching button. In that we have to give your username and then enter a search item what you are going to search, like hot, and then click the search button. Then just click the search. Here your username is here, then your search item is here. Here we are retrieving the values based upon your queries. Then load this into a database, then insert. Then we can retrieve the relevant queries which are already searched by the users, which is in proxy displayed here. Then load list, then click a next button. Then a next process is going to query results. In that we have to submit a query and subquery for retrieving the answers, relevant answers, which is based upon your queries like that. Enter your query and subquery like this. This is query and subquery. Then get queries, then read queries, which is already in a proxy. This is queries in already in proxies that will be displayed here. Then here your username is here. Then get a relevant words based upon your query and compare queries with other another terms, and then load data set, load that values into a database. Then click next button. Then in this process we have three types of queries. They are distinct query results and medium queries and ambiguous queries. In the distinct queries, high similarity words can be displayed and load into a database, and then medium query results has been displayed and load into a database. And the next process is ambiguous query result process. Load into a database. Our similarity values are estimated based upon the ranges, distinct queries and medium queries, ambiguous queries. Then click next button. In that we have to re-ranking the results and import into a database. And then we have to retrieve the relevant queries in the result. Then enter into a database. Next process is this is a taxonomy repository, which is a query results can be retrieved in a from a taxonomy repository. Then retrieve relevant words based upon the rankings. If you are going to give a rank 1 means the relevant results will be displayed here. And then if you are going to 2 means relevant results based on 2 rankings, and 3 means third ranking results has been displayed here. Then enter into the history page. In that we are retrieving the user search results which are stored in a history. In that we are hiding the history results based upon the query search items. In this only post time only displayed, other than username, queries and output URLs will be hidden. Then get total words, relevant words and support values. Based upon this formula we can calculate the type of relevant words. Then we are going to compare the valuations with the graph. Here is the total relevant results accuracy will be displayed here. Then evaluations will be displayed here based upon the proposed system and then existing system. In that proposed system is higher than the existing system in the time efficiency parameter. So this is the complete demo of our project. Thank you for watching.